Welcome. In front of me is a TP-Link Neffos Y5L, and I'll show you how to take a screenshot on this device. So what you want to do is hold power key and volume down together while you have the content that you want to capture opened. I'm just gonna do the home screen, so as it's open right now, and I'm gonna hold the power key and volume down. As you can see, I have a little animation, and the screenshot has been taken, and now it can be found in the gallery. Go to albums, and you have a screenshot album where you can find the image that we have just taken. So it's basically how you do it. Now this option also works for the most part with every other Android device, so it's not only limited to this one. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.